Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this simple one balloon sword. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, for this one we're just going to need a 260 color of your choice. So I'm picking white, and then we're going to start with inflating it and leaving a 2-finger tail on it. So start with doing that. And if you don't know how to tie off a balloon, make sure to check out my video on that. It's a full-on tutorial, and but for now we're just gonna skip that. So give it a burp, tie it off, and then from here we're gonna make a 4-finger loop. So as you wrap around, just do 4 fingers. We're gonna tie it from where the knot comes down from there. So tie it off there, give it a couple twists, and then hook it through there. And you do it one more time. And that is that. So from here, guys, we're gonna make a 3 bubble. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and we're starting off twisting it counterclockwise. So you're gonna pinch and then twist this part counterclockwise. So you're twisting away from you. And that's about a 2-finger bubble. So after you twist it a little bit, we're going to make one more, and we're going to be twisting it actually clockwise this time. Now this helps it from unraveling, so I'll show you in a second. Grab it down here, and you're twisting with your bottom hand. Twist it this way. And if you want to continue to make bubbles for other things, just repeat this pattern. So counterclockwise, clockwise, clockwise, and then just all the way down. And then, I'll show you. See, it keeps it from unraveling. Now, from here, we're going to take the tip of it, put it right through here, slide it on through, and then turn the handle like that. Do a squeeze, mold your hand in there, and then that's it, guys. That is the one balloon sword. Make sure to give my video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any balloon designs you want to see in the future, and don't forget to check out the website, beginnerballoons.com. Alright, thanks for watching.